Hello guys, how are you? This is the teacher Haris Bhatt and you are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Today I have come, obviously you have paper tomorrow, paper variant 21 and 22, AS Accounting 9706 for variant 21 and 22, and I am here for the tips and tricks of AS Accounting variant 21 and 22. So focusing on 22 first, I have discussed with you that the first question will come from company accounts. So always remember that you have to go for the reversal question also, right, where you have been given the ending ordinary share capital and you have to find the opening share capital. There can be right shares, issuance of right shares and bonus share, both can be a part of that question, right? If the theoretical part of the company, if we talk about, you have to learn that what are the advantage of right share and bonus shares, what are the difference of right share and bonus shares, what is called up capital and issued share up capital. These are important things. Preference share is not a part of the capital. I told you revaluation downward will come in the question, taking out from the revaluation reserve first and then from retained earnings. Then if the question comes from final account of sole trader, then you will be having some part of errors also along with final account of sole trader. And in errors, obviously examiner can ask you to find give the uses of suspense account, you know that, and errors of omission, commission, the theoretical part of the it can be a possibility. Then you will be asked to take the option that either you will go for a bank loan or you will issue shares, you know that, right share or bonus share, or you will go for a bank loan. You know the answer of that question. It is a very common question comes. Second question is from depreciation, reducing balance method, assets sold, diminishing balance method with part exchange, right? Always remember that if you have a question of depreciation, you will be asked to go for the causes of depreciation, why you are going for reducing balance method for motor vehicle, or advantage and disadvantage of straight line or diminishing balance method can also come. Then the accounting concepts can also come in the question, that which concept applies on depreciation, business entity, money measurement, prudence, materiality. These are important concepts including substance over form. Okay. The third question is from provision for doubtful debt and bank reconciliation statement. So advantage of bank reconciliation statement, this is basically for theoretical portion also. And provision for doubtful debt, always remember that you can be given a schedule of trade receivables also. And why we create provision, just I'm not going to explain it very long. Provision is created according to prudence concept so that profit should not be overstated and trade receivable should not be overstated, right? Then you will going to find the fourth question of absorption costing and some part of CVP analysis, in which you should know about the advantage of marginal costing and advantage of absorption costing and some disadvantage also. Then there is a question of theory, that why you want to change marginal costing into absorption costing or absorption costing into marginal costing. You will give both 2 points for the in favor of absorption and marginal, and then you will go for the conclusion of your choice. I don't want to go into detail. You can see my lecture Theory Guide 1, Theory Guide 2 on my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. In playlist, go to playlist and then see Theory Guide 1 and Theory Guide 2. You will be able to have theoretical part also. Then there is a question absorption costing regarding what is allocation, apportionment and absorption. So you know, then cost unit, direct cost, indirect cost, and cost unit, cost center, you know that, and why there is an under or over absorption of overheads. So listen carefully. Under absorption occurs when budgeted overhead cost is less than actual overhead cost and budgeted hours are more than actual hours. Over absorption occurs when budgeted overhead cost is more than actual overhead cost and actual hours are less, budgeted hours are less than actual hours. I repeat, over absorption occurs when budgeted overhead cost is more than actual overhead cost and budgeted hours are less than actual hours. This is a numerical, particularly this is a numerical point which has been completely given in the book of Ian Harrison and in the book of David Hopkins, but I know that teachers are not familiar with that, so this point is very particular. So remember this, that why over and under absorption occurs. This will come in theoretical portion, right? In CVP analysis, you know that it's not that difficult. I have put up all the lectures of marginal costing and all the new lectures. You can see the paper will come from these lectures. Limiting factor also I have uploaded only one lecture, and for absorption and marginals recently, but just 5 minutes back, I have uploaded the absorption marginal income statement question. Just do that, or just to secure yourself, that's it, right? So this is going to be the paper, and do inform me about the paper as soon as you got out of the paper, right? and do prepare two questions, last questions, which has come in 23 and 24 regarding control account reconciliation. Only that question in which both reconciliation has come for purchase and for sale for both, right? And feel free to ask me any question on my WhatsApp number 0333471287. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe my YouTube channel for the new videos regarding P3 and P2. And I will upload the lectures of paper 2, O levels tomorrow, inshallah. All the lectures, there are 27 lectures I have prepared only for paper 2 of O levels. So it will be on the and for paper 4 also. For P3 I will upload the some important questions of investment appraisal and for standard costing. Thank you very much, and God bless you. I hope that you will perform very good in your exams. If you have prepared well for your exams, you will get good score. Thank you.